Rahman, yes, very disappointment for the performance for my team and all the players. I think we are trying to our best, but unfortunately we are a couple of loose games. हम कोशिश करें कि इस हार से सीखें और बिल्कुल ही हर्ट होगी हमें, लेकिन हम कोशिश करेंगे जो पॉजिटिव चीज़ें हैं उसको उस पर बात करें उसको, लेकिन इन दी एंड जो हमने अच्छा नहीं किया उस पर भी बात होगी कि हमने आगे कैसे करना है, क्योंकि हर मैच एक डिफरेंट टीम के साथ है, डिफरेंट उनके साथ प्लानिंग के साथ जाना पड़ेगा, डिफरेंट माइंडसेट के साथ जाना पड़ेगा। तो कोशिश करेंगे कि पॉजिटिव वाइब टीम में लाएं।
Often they say you lay a good platform and you get a big score on the board. You laid a good platform.
Bismillah, yes, we start well. We a good partnership, me and Mom, and then we when Razid came in, so we just planned, let's go. We will play normal cricket and build a partnership, and then we do, and then suddenly we have a collapse in the middle order. So yeah, we are stuck. We are not finished well.
So what is your assessment from outside? The collapse was unbelievable. 155 for 2 and 191 all out. So how did you sort of assess it from outside?
Yes, not good for us. The way we started, I think we target at 280 and 290, but the club is post us, and then we not our total is not good.
And of course, India got the zilly, so the bowling attack didn't quite look the part. I know the pitch got a little easier. Of all the three departments you have, which is the one that you really feel that you need to improve?